Mic check 2. Mic check 1. Mic check 2. 2, 2, 2. Mic check. Brrr.
A, yes. Jen should... Oh, I'm sorry. B, likely not. It'd fall under the... Is someone screaming?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony. Yeah, just go see what he's doing.
I got you.
Can I get a mic check? Can I get a mic check? Guys, can we get more game?
Dougie.
I need more game. I gotta find
Dougie.
Yo.
I was told to come ask if you could, like, turn it down just a tinch.
What's up?
Your dad asked me to tell you to turn the volume down a little. It's kind of loud.
Yeah, I know, dude. I just need to see how it sounds out there. Can you run out there and just tell me how it sounds? Please, dude.
Okay.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, bumblebee. Testing, all day long. I hope you like my testing song.
Yeah, it's pretty solid. That's pretty solid.
It's just, can you come here? I just gotta hear it from out there.
Okay. Can I rock?
Yeah, can you rock the mic? I just gotta feel, yeah. Can you hit my Bumblebee song?
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yo.
Testing, bumblebee.
Yep.
Testing, all day long.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna do some role play.
I want to get that mug on the shelf, but I'm too short to get it. So maybe you guys can pick me up.
Oh, you're way heavier than I thought.
You shouldn't talk about my body. Put me down.
Was that good? Or keep going?
Hold on. Yeah, some people, one more time. Yep.
I'm sorry. Who was the harasser? And who was the victim? What?
I'm just so many nerves, dude.
Nah, yeah. Sorry.
I can't even begin to tell you how good I need this to go, and I just I haven't told anybody. You're the only person I told this. Remember how I was mixing sauces and shit like that? I'm unveiling to you Project Unicorn. This is the first new sauce and flavor at Rockin' Grandma's in 15 years.
Okay.
This is gonna change everything. All right, here, you see me like a pinky or something like that. Hold on. Oh shit, we're good.
I'm digging it.
Yeah?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 8.5. It's not nothing better, but it's I would come back for that. You know what I'm saying? I would come back for another bottle of that. You know what I'm saying?
It's a jerk sauce, technically.
Honestly, I didn't get a jerk flavor from it, but
It's kind of my take on it.
everybody's coming out.
Oh, yeah. Can you just not tell anybody about the sauce?
Yeah, absolutely,
All right.
bro. I got you, man. Like I said,
Thank you.
I don't know nothing. I didn't see nothing.
He's been working on something, and I keep asking him, because, I like to get to the bottom of stuff. And he refuses to give me any details.
Good things come to those who wait.
You got this, Dougie.
Buddy.